We share.
Tutorial questions and answers.
It is all about understanding facts and sharing with others.
Learning continues. We are learning to know, understand, and share with others.
Please subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.
The topic we shall consider in this video is General Biology 1. Topics are 1. The scope of biology and its place in human welfare, including characteristics of life, concepts in biology, topical issues in biology, and career opportunities. 2. Diversity and classification of living things. 3. Cell structure and organization, functions of cellular organelles, diversity, general reproduction, interrelationship of organisms, heredity, and evolution. 4. Elements of ecology and types of habitat.
Question 1. Mention 3 divisions of biological science.
Zoology, botany, and microbiology.
Question 2. List at least 8 scopes of biology.
Anthropology, biomedical engineering, biotechnology, food technology, genetic engineering, veterinary medicine, medicine, and therapy.
Question 3. Discuss 8 scopes of biology.
Anthropology, the science of man and mankind, including the study of the physical and mental constitution of man. Biomedical engineering, branch of engineering dealing with the production of spare parts of man, and manufacturing of artificial limbs, heart, and lungs. Biotechnology, branch of biology, that deals with the use of living organisms, or of substance obtained from living organisms in industrial processes. Food technology, branch of biology, that deals with processing and preservation of healthy foods. Genetic engineering, it involves genetic manipulations to produce an organism with a new combination of genes to improve the varieties. Application of scientific knowledge to question civil and criminal laws is called forensic science. This includes the study of fingerprints and blood types. Veterinary medicine, poultry science, branch of biology, that deals with the study of domestic animals and their healthcare. Medicine, branch of biology, that deals with the science and study of nature of diseases, their causes, symptoms, and effects. This is called pathology. Therapy, the treatments of diseases, bodily weakness or defects by physical remedies such as massage and exercise.
Question 4. What are the 9 classification groups of living things?
Life, domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Let Dr. King Philip come over for good spaghetti. Question 5. Most scientists think that all living things can be classified into 3 domains. What are the 3 domains? Archaea, bacteria, and eukarya.
Question 6. How should coronavirus be classified?
Coronavirus is nothing more than ribonucleic acid, RNA, surrounded by a coat of proteins. Coronavirus is not a cell. Coronavirus cannot use energy, cannot respond to stimuli, cannot grow or maintain homeostasis. Coronavirus cannot reproduce on its own. However, it can reproduce by infecting the cell of a living host. Inside the host cell, it uses the cell's structures, materials, and energy to make copies of itself. Based on the aforementioned facts, coronavirus is neither a living thing nor non-living things, because it does not exhibit many of the characteristics of a living thing.
Question 7. Mention at least 6 kingdoms.
Kingdom animals, Animalia. Kingdom plants, Plantae. Kingdom fungi. Kingdom Protista, Protactista. Kingdom Eubacteria, Bacteria. Kingdom Archaebacteria, Archaea.
Question 8. What is the largest kingdom? Mention 10 different phyla of the largest kingdom.
The largest kingdom is Kingdom Animalia. 10 different phyla of Kingdom Animalia are Porifera, Coelenterata, Cnidaria, Platyhelminths, Nematoda, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemicordata, and Chordata.
Question 9. Itemize 5 cellular organelles and mention the functions of any 3.
Nucleus, storage of DNA. Mitochondrion, production of energy. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, production of lipid detoxification. Rough endoplasmic protein production. Golgi apparatus, protein modification and export. Peroxisome lipid destruction. Lysosome protein destruction.
Question 10. List 5 major habitats and discuss.
1. Forest, large areas covered with plants. Forests cover about 1/3 of planet Earth. Different types of plants and animals are found in forests. 3 major types of forests are tropical, B, temperate, C, boreal. 2. Grasslands, regions dominated by grasses. Temperature ranges between -20 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. Annual rainfall varies between 50 and 90 centimeters. It provides shelter to a large variety of animals including giraffe, zebra, lion, elephant, and gazelle. 3. Desert, areas that receive very little rainfall. Annual rainfall is less than 25 centimeters, though deserts are mostly hot but some are very cold. Organisms like cactus and camel are found in deserts. 4. Mountains and polar regions. Earth's polar regions, the Arctic in the north and the Antarctic in the south, and tall mountains are extremely cold. The lowest temperature recorded ever in the Antarctic is -88 degrees Celsius. Animals like polar bear, penguin, seal, and walrus are found in the polar regions. Mountain goat, sheep, yak, and snow leopard are some of the animals found in the mountains. 5. Aquatic habitat. The aquatic habitat comprises all the water bodies on the planet. It is mainly of 3 kinds: freshwater, marine, and coastal. Freshwater habitat, rivers, lakes, ponds, and streams are examples of freshwater habitat. Fish, frog, duck, lotus, and water lily are found in freshwater. Marine habitat, oceans, and seas from the largest habitat on the planet. A large variety of animals live in the marine habitat, from tiny plankton to the largest animal in the world, the blue whale. Fish, whale, shark, jellyfish, crab, starfish, sea turtle, octopus, and seaweed are found in marine habitat. Coastal habitat, this refers to the region where the land meets the sea.
Question 11. Write a short note on A. Tropical forests, B. Temperate forests, and C. Boreal forests.
A. Tropical forests, also known as rainforest, found between the equator and the 2 tropics. Temperature ranges from 20 degrees Celsius to 34 degrees Celsius. Contains plants, orchid, vine, moss, and fern, and animals, bat, gorilla, monkey, and a variety of insects. B. Temperate forests. Temperate forests are found in eastern North America, northeastern Asia, and western and central Europe. Temperature ranges from -30 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. The annual rainfall is about 150 centimeters. Temperate forests have well-defined winter and summer seasons. Contains plants, maple, oak, and elm, and animals, fox, bald eagle, mountain lion, and black bear. C. Boreal forests, also called taiga. It is found in Canada, Russia, Scandinavia, and China. Very low temperatures -50 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. The annual snowfall ranges from 40 to 100 centimeters. Contains plants, for instance evergreen trees, and animals, wolf.
We share.
Tutorial questions and answers.
It is all about understanding facts and sharing with others.
Learning continues. We are learning to know, understand, and share with others.
Please subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.